Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate the margin percentage in Excel. If you sell products and want to know how much profit you are making on each item, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you will know how to set it up in Excel, apply a formula, and quickly calculate the margin percentage for all your items. First, let's quickly understand what margin percentage is. Margin percentage tells you how much profit you make compared to the selling price. For example, if the selling price is $100 and your margin is 25%, that means your cost was $75. So, if you know the cost and the selling price, you can calculate the margin percentage easily in Excel. So here I have my sample data set you can see on the screen. I have the items name here in this column and the costs listed here beside each item and the selling price here in this column. Now, before we calculate the margin percentage, we need an output column for the margin calculation. Now, add a new column next to your data and name it margin percentage. For example, in my case, it will be in cell F1 in my sheet. To keep everything looking consistent, select the item ID column here, for example, cells A1 to A10, then click the Format Painter tool from the Home tab and drag it over the new margin percentage column in column F. This will copy the same formatting so your new column matches the style of the rest of your table. Next, select the cells in the new column from F2 to F10 and click the percentage sign in the number group. This way, Excel will display the results as percentages instead of decimals. Formatting before applying the formula is important. Otherwise, Excel will show decimals like 0.25 instead of 25%. Now, let's calculate the margin percentage. Click on cell F2 and type the formula equal open bracket E2 minus D2 close bracket divided by E2. Here, E2 is the selling price, D2 is the cost of the product, and we subtract the cost from the selling price to get the profit here. Then we divide the profit by the selling price to get the margin percentage. Now, to apply this formula to all the rows, click the small plus sign at the bottom right corner of F2 and drag it down to F10. Excel will automatically fill in the formula for every row. Make sure your selling price and cost columns are correct. If there's a missing or wrong value, the formula will not be accurate or will show an error. And that's it. You now know how to calculate margin percentage in Excel. This method works for any dataset, whether it's 10 products or 1000 products or more. Just drag the formula down. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For more such tutorials, visit excelinsider.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.